In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft lag and stuttering to boost your FPS. Now first what you want to do is head over to your options, go to video settings. In here what you want to do is make sure you're on your resolution, so this is mine and this is my frame rate. Now after that you want to choose graphics to turn it down to fast. Turn your render distance down. I have mine really high, but if you're experiencing any issues, you can just turn this down for, let's say, 12, 14, or even lower if it's a lot of problems. What else you can do is you can come down here, particles, decreased, clouds, off, entity shadows, off, and you can play around with VSync on and off, whichever you think is best. Smooth lighting, you can turn it off as well. And when you've done this, what you can do is simply come out of Minecraft, come down here, and go to your desktop. In here you want to search for Windows Update. Click here, check if you have an update. If you have one, you can take it. If you don't, just go to Device Manager, open it up. In here we want to find our GPU under Display Adapters, right click on it, and update the driver. Now once we updated the driver, we can come down here and search for game mode settings. Make sure game mode is on. Make sure you go to game bar and turn it off. After that you can right click on your desktop, display settings. In here what you want to do is scroll down, advanced display settings. Make sure your refresh rate is the highest possible one that you can choose. After that what you want to do is search for, right click again on your desktop and go to display settings, but this time choose graphic settings. In here you want to activate hardware accelerated GPU, so make sure it's on. And after that what you can do is come down here and search for power, edit the power plan, come back to power options, and make sure you choose high performance. After that, come here, search for task manager. In here what you want to do is you want to close down everything that uses way too much. So in this case this is my Minecraft, but as you can see my Google Chrome is using more memory, so I could close down Google Chrome. I can sort by CPU, I can close down my OBS, I can sort by GPU, and I can sort by the memory, and I can close down all of these, CapCut, Discord, whichever uses way too much. Now the other thing you can do is come into details, look for your Minecraft, so click on name to sort by the name, click anywhere and press M, find your minecraft.exe and find the one that uses the most memory, which is this one, right click on it, set priority and choose high. Now once you've done that, it will put more of your effort onto your Minecraft and it can help increase the FPS. Now once you've done all of that, hopefully your Minecraft should run better. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.